Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's go ahead and learn something really fun in Photoshop, and that is going to be how to use the Generative AI tool to extend an image. So we're going to be filling in an image that has no data, and it looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's jump on in and take a look at this tutorial. So we have our photo right here, and we've just grabbed this photo, we put it in, we want to print out a 5x7, but we realize that there is these two white bars that are missing. Now, of course, we could stretch the image or expand it, but we want everything. We want every part of this image in. So what do? Well, with the new Generative AI, we actually have an option now. So we can go over here to this rectangle tool, and we're gonna just create a little selection right here at the top. We're going to go to Generative Fill. Now, if we wanted to create something in here, we could actually type it in, but what we're gonna do, since this is a very simple use case, click that Generate button, and wow, look at that. It looks amazing. Everything is perfectly blended and it's looking great. And you can actually go through a couple different selections here to see what you want to do, but I think the first one looks perfect. We can then go, of course, select this bottom area and do the exact same thing. Click that Generative Fill, click that Generate button, and then take a second. And we have also perfectly filled in the bottom. You can't even tell that we've used AI to help extend this photo and to make it better. It's a really, really awesome effect, and it's a great way to use the new Generative AI in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, leave in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos similar to this one. And if you enjoyed this stock photo and, its extensions, check out Envato Elements. It's a subscription-based service where you can pay a monthly fee and get an unlimited amount of stock footage and stock photos and templates. Check out the link in the description below. Until next time, everyone, see ya.